Hi, I'm Josh. I'm going to do a quick carburetor replacement on a Craftsman 1032 track snowblower, and at the very end I am going to fix the transmission. Stay tuned for that because it has a hard time shifting. Hi, Joshua Collin here. Thought I'd do a carburetor replacement and fuel line install video on this Craftsman 1032 tracked snowblower. As you saw in my last video, I pulled the bowl on this old carburetor and it has the pressed in main jet. Instead of trying to clean and hopefully trying to fix it, I just opted to buy a new carburetor. I went with the same manufacturer as I did with the Simplicity. I went with the Carburetors Plus carburetor. They're really nice. They're $40. They're not the cheap $8 or $12 ones that you buy in a kit. So let's start. Quickly, the exhaust bolts are 1/2 inch with a 3/8 inch top support, and the intake manifold is Torx 30. This gasket up on the block, I went with the Stens part, is a 485-771. That's the Tecumseh part number 27915A. And this gasket came with the kit with the carburetor. So that's broken. I'm just going to mark the hole where the throttle linkage is supposed to go on the new one. So line it up. Marked it there, so it's all hunky-dory. The reason why I went with Carburetors Plus is I didn't want to buy, say, one of the cheap $12 carburetors that you never know if it might not work. And plus I bought one for the Simplicity from them and I didn't have any issues with it. Of course, time will tell as well. You see me undoing the fuel line, scraping the old gasket off. Sorry for if you can't see me changing out the carburetor. I was more focused on it than the camera. You will need a Phillips number 3 and a 7/16 wrench to remove the carburetor, a 1/4 inch socket to remove the bracket that holds the outer shroud on. I don't mind Tecumseh's, just for changing out the fuel valve line is a pain. You got to pull the whole front end of the engine apart. You're going to see me putting a 90-degree fuel shutoff valve on. That is junk. I had to replace it with a 90-degree nylon fuel fitting and a inline fuel valve. Much better. Don't buy the HIPAA HIPPA fuel valves off Amazon. They're junk. Of course, that was only one. So you just see me putting everything back together. This is what I was talking about. Don't put a 90-degree fuel valve on. Just go with a 90-degree fuel fitting. Hi, Joshua Collin here. Thought I'd do a quick update on the snowblower. I was having trouble getting the gear shift to move. That sorry for that thing right there is a piece that goes into that groove. That was bent out a little bit and causing that to jam against the shaft. So if you have any issues with this style mechanism, pound that thing with a long punch and a hammer and make sure it's in the hole, and that fixed it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.